Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with Binance. First, navigate to the Binance website or app and begin the registration process. You will need to provide an email address or phone number to create your account. Next, complete the required identity verification by submitting a valid government-issued identification document. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to secure your account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund your Binance wallet. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet you already own. Always check the associated fees for each deposit method to maximize your investment. Now you're ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Head to the Buy Crypto section, which is usually prominent on the Binance platform. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select your preferred payment method. Enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend, review the order details, and then confirm your purchase. Protecting your investments is crucial. For larger holdings, consider transferring your cryptocurrency to a secure hardware wallet for offline storage. Always monitor your Binance account regularly, checking transaction history and activity for anything unusual. Remember to practice smart investing by only risking what you can afford to lose. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.